Step by Step French Part 15. All words in English ending in AL or EL come from French. When you look at the examples, you will understand them. For instance, the English word normal, in French it is called normal. Normal. The adverb normally in French it is called normalement. Normalement. Notice this ment at the end. Normalement. Now, how do you say the English word general in French? It is called général. Général. Notice this accent aigu. How do you say now generally in French? Think and say. Généralement. Généralement. How do you say the word animal in French? It is called animal. Animal. Special, how do you say in French? Spécial. Spécial. It is very special. How do you say it in French? You know it if you have followed the previous lessons. C'est très spécial. C'est très spécial. How do you say specially for you? Specially for you. Spécialement pour vous. Spécialement pour vous. The word cup in English, in French it is called tasse. Tasse. I would like a cup of coffee. How do you say it in French? Think and say. Je voudrais une tasse de café. Je voudrais une tasse de café. The word still or still more in French it is called encore. Encore. A little in French it is called un peu. Un peu. I would like a little. How do you say it in French? Je voudrais un peu. Je voudrais un peu. The word later in French it is called plus tard. Plus tard. More in French is called plus or plus. Will you come later? How do you say it in French? Will you come later? Voulez-vous venir plus tard? Voulez-vous venir plus tard? A little later. How do you say it in French? Think and give your answer. Un peu plus tard. Un peu plus tard. How do you say, will you come a little later in French? How do you say it? Will you come a little later? Voulez-vous venir un peu plus tard? Voulez-vous venir un peu plus tard? Merci. ధన్యవాదములు. Thank you.